Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news based on an article by Brian Figueroa, Esquire. Why clients lie to lawyers and how cultural competence can help. One of the most frustrating challenges in legal practice is discovering that a client has not been truthful. For many immigration attorneys and legal professionals, this is not an isolated issue. It's a recurring obstacle that can derail even the strongest cases. But why do clients lie to their lawyers? And more importantly, how can understanding cultural backgrounds help reduce this problem? The answer begins with recognizing that client dishonesty isn't always about deception. Often, it's about cultural differences, misunderstandings, and fear of authority. In fact, addressing the question of why clients lie to their lawyers requires a deep dive into the world of cultural competence. Cultural competence in law, a key to client honesty. For attorneys, especially those in immigration law, developing cultural competence is essential. This means understanding how a client's cultural background shapes their communication, perception of authority, and relationship with legal institutions. For example, in some cultures, making direct eye contact with an authority figure, like a lawyer, is considered disrespectful. A client avoiding eye contact might be perceived as evasive, but in reality, they are showing respect. Similarly, in hierarchical societies, admitting confusion or asking for clarification may be seen as disrespectful. As a result, clients might agree with everything said, even when they don't fully understand. Another cultural issue relates to the importance of group loyalty over individual responsibility. In collectivist cultures, protecting family or community reputation may outweigh the perceived need to tell the truth, especially if it involves revealing potentially harmful details. Why clients lie, mistrust, fear, and relationship gaps. Many clients come from countries where government systems are corrupt or unpredictable. For them, sharing sensitive information, even with an attorney, feels risky. Their default approach may be to hide or distort the truth to avoid potential consequences. Moreover, some cultures place a strong emphasis on personal relationships before business or transactional matters. A client may not feel comfortable being fully transparent with a lawyer they've just met. If the attorney does not take time to build trust, the client may withhold critical details or give half-truths. How lawyers can encourage honesty. To reduce the risk of client dishonesty, legal professionals must adapt their approach. Here are a few SEO-friendly best practices. Build rapport with clients early to create trust and encourage openness. Ask open-ended, culturally sensitive questions to uncover the full story. Use qualified interpreters to minimize language misunderstandings. Explain legal consequences clearly, especially how lying can damage a case. Spend time educating clients on how the U.S. legal system works. The bottom line: understanding why clients lie to lawyers is the first step toward preventing it. By prioritizing cultural competence in law, attorneys can create an environment where clients feel safe, respected, and more likely to be truthful. This not only improves the attorney-client relationship, but also strengthens case outcomes.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.